Hi class, how are you? So I hope you already joined our class on Canvas. That is ID 423 workshops and seminars. And I hope you already got to view the activity that I posted that you have to do today. Today what I want you to do is to meet with your group members virtually and discuss the following things. So number one is your title for the webinar based on the topic that you are assigned. So for the title, I hope you can be creative, not just sustainable design or design for health and well-being. You can use a creative title, and then you identify your subtopics based on your main topic. So for example, if you are discussing about sustainable design, then you can have different topics such as what is sustainable flooring, or sustainable walls, sustainable fabrics, or paints. Okay, and then maybe you can also discuss the laws regarding sustainability and recent studies with regards to sustainable design. And then you are going to create a Facebook event, and then you will also invite your classmates for the event. So in the event, you're also required to design a cover page for that. So I guess you're familiar with creating a Facebook event. So you will be assigned a date, by the way, with which you will be conducting your webinar. And then the requirements for the resources is that you are going to be creating at least 2 videos or resources that you can find online. And my experience with the previous semester is that students even were able to make their own webinars. So it's really up to you, but I highly encourage whatever it is, you also make a short introduction regarding your topic. We need, say, short introduction. It is personal introduction that you personally are making. Okay, and then also articles, journals, or recent studies regarding your assigned topic. And then you're also going to supply your classmates with relevant laws and statutes pertaining to your assigned topic. Okay, and then so the final portion of your assignment is that you're going to create a activity for your classmates so that they can process the resources well. So I provided a guide for you on how to compose your questions now as learning outputs for your classmate. So please just refer to the learning activity form that I posted in our Canvas. So for Canvas, I already grouped you according to your Facebook post. Of course, we got to choose our own group members, so I already divided you according to your group members, and also assign you to a specific topic. So I also want to assign you to your topics. So please keep in mind that you will be planning and organizing your webinars on Canvas, as the discussions will also be graded, and you will also be monitored there as well. So I hope you will be providing inputs for ideas. I expect that you do that in your groupings on Canvas. Okay, and then the links of the seminars, the resources, we will also be posting that on Canvas for your classmates to view and read, and at the same time you'll also be posting our guide questions for the learning outputs. So by the way, you need to submit your final outputs individually. So say for example you are the main organizer for the topic, the submission will be done individually. So like in the case of sustainability, for example, then all students who are assigned to sustainable design will have to submit individually. And of course that output is common to all the group members, but you have to submit it individually for the purposes of record, no? And then of course if you are the person assigned for that webinar, then you don't need to submit a learning output. So the learning output will only be required by will only be required from the classmates who are not part of that assigned topic, which they will have to answer and submit on Canvas as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, so we will also do the activity or the organization of the webinar next week, and then I'll try to fix our schedule, and I'll let you know as soon as possible the dates of the webinars, and when the groupings will be, or when the group will present their resources and webinars. So each week we will have a new we will tackle a new topic. So that is the main goal for the entire semester. Okay, so I'll see you next week. Goodbye.